They're tremendous birders, and they have been coming for 51 or 2 years. So actually, some of the people who started it were coming long before that. And I do want to say that next year the ranch will have been in our family 100 years. And we're real proud of that. Anyway, when we go out, we're with these tremendous birders who that all they want to do is walk and see, and they bird by ear. They can see a bird just flash through, and they know exactly what it is, and it's just fascinating to be with them. And one of them saved our hides because when we were fighting the highway department, I called her, and Mrs. Adele Harding, and I asked her if by any chance she had record or had kept records of her birding at the Maverick Ranch, and she'd been doing it for, 40, 45 years. She said yes, she'd looked through her records. She had a very detailed list, but it was out in a pile in the garage. But she had a general list. It was amazing to me. She kept different kinds of lists. She had a very general list, a running list of what she had seen at the ranch. And she would do this for each place that they went to over the years. And she sent me a list, and there were the endangered birds on it. And it was a tremendous list that we've started from, and we've added 2 since. But she gave us something. At that time, we kept saying we had the endangered birds, the golden cheek warbler and the black-capped vireo. And the highway department kept calling us insane and hysterical women and liars. And we just put it out there on the table, Mrs. Harding's list, and it was proof.